Hello and welcome to Angelas Hangout. So today I'm participating in a collaboration, actually as a challenge. It is hosted by Lacee over at Lacee's Space. She's such a sweet person. If you're not familiar with her channel, which I know everybody is, but she's really cute. She's really sweet. But she's challenging us to go to a thrift store or a secondhand store or a garage sale, estate sale, and try and find some items to make a cake plate with. So I went to my local Goodwill and I found the most gorgeous gold plate. It was beautiful. But when I went to go have him check a price on it for me, he the associate told me it was gonna be $8.99 for a little plate. It was just a little plate. It was gold. It was pretty, but I mean, I was thinking, ooh, I can just spray paint something gold. So needless to say, I didn't spend $9 on a little plate. That wasn't even including like a base or anything. So I looked, and I just couldn't find anything. However, my parents, they like to go garage sailing. They go Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every single week. So I told them what I was looking for and told them to keep an eye out for me. And they came up with some doozies. Oh my goodness, you're not gonna believe what they found. First of all, they found this, it's a candy dish. It's crystal, it's super heavy, it's gorgeous, and it was only $1. I know you can't see that, but it was the blue sticker on it says $1. So, I was so excited. They were sending me pictures all along the way, and I'm like, oh yeah, get that. Then, oh my goodness, you're not gonna believe this. Look at this. 50 cents is all they paid for this. So $1.50. Look, it just looks so beautiful. I mean, it looks like it was meant to be. So $1.50 for my cake plate. Now I was gonna glue it all together, but I want to reuse everything kind of separately. So I figure for video purposes only, I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of stick it on there. But what's cool about this, with having the candy dish, is you can stick little flowers in there, or a tea light candle, some, I don't know, some little crystals, and with a candle holder, I think that would be super sharp, and then it would just glisten and just kind of illuminate. So I went and picked up a cake today, so let's put it on there and I'll show you how it looks when it's all done. Okay, so I just put some little crystals in there with a little tea light candle, and it just looks so pretty. It's all illuminated and stuff. So pretty. And here it is with a topper on it. It's just gorgeous. I can't believe that this was only $1.50. So yeah, thank you so much, Lacee, for hosting this challenge, because my frustrations turned into, oh my goodness, look what I found. I'm so excited. So anyway, thank you so much, guys. I'll have a playlist listed below, Lacee's channel listed below, and if you're new to my channel, feel free to give it a like, subscribe. I would appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. $1.50, can't beat that. Good old garage sales.